I'm going to present my paper on subject-guided eye image synthesis with application to gaze redirection. We can synthesize realistic eye images directly from synthetic images, as has been shown in SymGAN CycleGAN work, or we can generate these eye images from the segmentation mask corresponding to the synthetic eye images. While these methods ensure gaze and semantic consistency between the source and synthesized image, they lack control of the generated eye features like skin tone, texture, and iris color. The goal of this work is to generate eye images that are consistent in gaze and semantics with respect to the ternary mask, while it captures the attributes of the input style image. We use content laws to ensure the semantic consistency between the generated image and the input mask. To ensure style consistency, we feed the generated image back to the generator along with the segmentation mask corresponding to the style image. We can only recover the style image back if the generated image in the first step matches the attribute of the former. In supervised training, we use the training sample consisting of a pair of eye images of the same person looking in different directions and their respective segmentation mask. For unsupervised training, a training sample contains images from different subjects. Style-based synthesis can be used for data augmentation for downstream tasks such as gaze estimation. In the example here, each column represents a different style, and each row represents a different gaze corresponding to the synthetic eye image. For each synthetic eye image, we can generate multiple styled images. We apply this method to gaze redirection, which is manipulating the gaze of the eye image to the desired direction. The reference direction can be obtained from a ternary mask corresponding to the synthetic eye images. However, if the mask has a different shape from the source image, it can alter the shape of the eye in the directed gaze. So what we did instead was to extract the ternary mask from the source image, direct the gaze in the mask, and synthesize the eye image corresponding to the directed mask. Gaze redirection on the segmentation mask can be done by training a model on the mask corresponding to the synthetic eye images, which have gaze annotations. Since the segmentation masks are domain independent, the trained model can be applied to the ones extracted from the real eye images. This mitigates the need for using gaze-labeled real-world dataset. This figure summarizes the work we have done in the paper. We used SPADE-based architecture for generating style images. The style generator is trained on real-world images, and the gaze redirection network is trained on synthetic ternary mask with gaze annotations. Our gaze redirection network pipeline consists of a segmented network followed by a gaze redirection network and then the style generator. We compare our work with the other style-based image synthesis methods. We use LPIPS score metric to evaluate these methods. The reconstruction laws that we proposed proved very effective in an unsupervised setting where we do not use paired data corresponding to the same subject. That is, we do not require images of the same subject looking in different directions but taken under the same lighting conditions. Here we show the qualitative comparison for the supervised training and the unsupervised training. Clearly, our method is able to match the styles in the generated image without using paired data in the training. Lastly, we were able to improve the LPIPS score for gaze redirection method from previous state of the art without using the gaze labels corresponding to real eye images.